All right, so today in Mrs. Carroll's class, we are going to be doing our first makerspace activity. It is a STEM challenge where we will be having a skeleton ride down a zip line. And actually today I don't have skeletons, but I have zombies. So this is the zombie zip line challenge. Here are a few pictures that I will be showing you so you can take a look at to understand how a zip line works. All right. And then over here are the materials that we will need for the zipline challenge. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we will need a small cup, 5 yards of string, 1 straw, 4 paper clips, rubber bands, 1 pipe cleaner, toy zombies, not skeletons. And the directions are is that the students will design and engineer a zip line that can carry a skeleton, well, actually a zombie, across a line. The zombie must remain on the line at all times. Some of the things the students will need to do is they'll first ask questions of how they will create the zip line. Then they'll start to create. They're going to show a picture first and describe it first before they actually design it and plan it. And then after they plan it, they're going to try it out. If it doesn't work, they'll improve it. If it does work, they'll still come up with a better way and think about another way to create their zip line. And then finally, they will tell us what they learned from their experiment. Here are the materials that they will be using. There's our zombie. Isn't he cute? And finally, they will plan and design their zip line on this sheet of paper, and they will have 3 trials, and they will have 1 hour to construct the zip line. Then tomorrow we will kind of do a review and reflect on what we did today. So I will be sharing some of the students' designs. I'm really excited to see how they create their zip line. Good afternoon, boys and girls. How are we doing today?
Good.
Excellent. All right, we're excited. We have our STEM activity. Thank you for signing up to Mrs. Carroll's STEM activity today. I have a quick question for you. Does anybody know what this, well, kind of does, but these are? Who can tell me what it is? Yes, sir, back there. It's a zip line. How many of you ever been on a zip line before? No, not Mrs. Carroll, but I really would like to go on one. All right, so what is a zip line? What is a zip line?
It's like something. It's like a metal rope that goes connects to a tree and then another tree, and then there's like a paddle that you hook onto, or like a seat that you can sit on, and then you just push off of like whatever your like you push off of the tree, and then you just go flying down.
Okay, that's a good example. All right. Yes, sir?
It's a kind of transportation that people use to get places that are a little harder to reach.
Okay, excellent. Yes, Brennan.
A zip line is something that might help you go somewhere faster. Like instead of walking through a canyon, you could just.
Okay, that's a really good example. If you were going to visit a canyon, maybe the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon, or you went to the real Grand Canyon in the United States, or anywhere where there's 2 high areas of land that are separated by water, then yeah, you might use a zip line to get from one high section to the other. So we're going to get started. These are pictures of a zip line that you can see here. This is actually what we call a gondola. It's a cable car gondola. This is like a bigger version of a zip line. It carries multiple people. I'll show you some other pictures we have real quick. Oh, isn't that nice? Ah. That's like,
That's sideways?
Well, the picture's sideways, but it's a ski lift. It's similar to a ski lift. All right, and here's some other pictures. That's a gondola.
Somebody's rock.
All right, yep, these are all, that's a little bit of rock climbing. These guys are just hanging around. All right, awesome. So our project, our challenge today is you are going to create a zip line. Now, you're going to do part of it today and part of it tomorrow just because we have limited time, all right? You need to design and engineer a zip line that can carry, this says a skeleton, but we know that 3rd grade's way cooler than that, and we're going to use zombies.
Oh.
All right? So we're gonna have to try to get the dead guy across from one end to the other. All right, or gal, whatever you get. All right, so this is your zombie zipline challenge. All right, and it has to carry the zombie across a line. All right, and the zombie must remain on the line at all times. All right, now you'll have a bag of materials that you will work with. You'll get a cup. You'll get at least 5 yards of string. You'll get a straw. You'll get paper clips. Okay. You will have tape that you can come see me to get. All right, because I will be passing out the tape. You'll have rubber bands, a pipe cleaner, and you'll have your zombie.